One of the most extraordinary sights on Earth is these large iron ships, sitting in a desert with no human presence in sight. It's as though some science fiction-like force dropped them from the sky. The Aral Sea is the fourth largest inland sea in the world. For thousands of years, the Aral Sea has been fed by two rivers. In the 1960s, the Soviet government decided to use river water to improve cotton growing, and it built many canals to divert water to the cotton fields. The huge iron hulks of fishing boats got stranded on the bottom of the sea as the water disappeared. Steadily, unemployment worsened, there were epidemics of TB, and life expectancy fell.
Sometimes in summer happens some outbreaks of plague.
Our future wealth will increasingly relate to knowledge in the broadest sense of the term, and knowledge technologies will double and double in power every year for the foreseeable future. Kurzweil and others believe that this doubling power of knowledge technologies continued throughout the 21st century. An increase during the century of 2 to the power of 100. That number is totally unimaginable. 1,000 billion billion billion. What will the Earth look like? Greenhouse gas emissions have been strongly reduced. Forests are maintained in sufficient quantity to absorb greenhouse gases. There are some artificial means of global cooling. The world population has dropped to a level that the planet can handle. There is now enough water for everyone. Irrigation is very sophisticated. No fish zones have allowed fish stocks to recover. Fishing is tightly managed for sustainability. Farmers everywhere are taught and helped to maintain the organic content of soil. Tree planting helps stop soil erosion. Food production is managed with efficient methods. Reserves of food are stored to cover bad harvest years. The millennial goals are refined repeatedly, country by country, until extreme poverty is eradicated. Almost all countries are on a staircase to economic development. A return to the basic teaching of the founder of each religion. It will be made impossible to obtain uranium enriched to bomb-making grade. Intelligent machines will be tamper-proof.
The 21st century revolution could happen in two ways. First, there may be grand-scale catastrophes which sweep the Earth, and the stunned survivors recover and try to put the controls into place which will stop them happening again. Second, we could have the understanding of what can go wrong and make sure that we develop the technology and governance and good management that prevents it happening. Today, we have the capability to put into place global education for the second option. We need to do it soon.
These are not insolvable, intractable problems that we don't know how to answer. It requires a will, a moral will.
Sometimes young people ask me, if I could pick any time in history to be alive, what time would I pick? You know, it's a no-brainer. I say to them, I would want to be your age now. Your lifetime is going to be incredible. It's going to be the most exciting time to be alive. I can't think of any other time when a young person could make more difference. Humanity is on a journey to something far beyond anything we can even comprehend today.